Have you ever wondered how your Ferrari and Maserati items make it from Ricambi America to your doorstep? Whether you start with a click on our website or a phone call to our parts team, we want the process to be transparent and straightforward. Turning the frustration of owning an Italian exotic back into driving bliss shouldn't be complicated. Most orders begin using the Ricambi America website, with full interactive diagrams covering nearly every modern Maserati and Ferrari vehicle. Once you place your order at Ricambi America, if the parts you need are on our shelf, they'll be dispatched within hours and on your doorstep quickly. We pick and pack orders 7 days a week, updating your online order throughout the process with statuses and carrier tracking numbers. Non-stock or special order items are managed with the same urgency. If your project needs something that isn't at Ricambi America, our systems immediately requisition your parts from Ferrari and Maserati. With 2 daily transatlantic shipments destined for Ricambi America, we strive to minimize any downtime waiting for your part. Nearly all special order and non-stock items arrive into our North Carolina location within 24 hours and are repacked for same-day outbound shipment to you. We ship around the world and around the USA on a daily basis. Domestic orders are sent via both U.S. Postal Priority and FedEx. Depending on the urgency of your project, we offer both economical flat-rate shipping and express shipping, both of which are conveniently displayed when you complete your order on our website. We are experts in worldwide shipping and daily send parts around the globe via FedEx International. When placing an order online, simply select your destination country and postal code, and online, real-time FedEx shipping rates will be displayed. There are no surprises or after-the-fact shipping rate changes at Ricambi America.